Ndhawu leyi yi na 100 ra malembe yi koka rinoko ra vapfhumba, yi na madamu manharhu lamakulu laha tikweni. Mabindzu lama endliwaka Hartbeespoort ya nghenisa mali yo tala eka masipala wa ndhawu liya wa Madibeng ehansi ka xifundzankulu xa Northwest. Hartbeespoort yi na tindhawu to tala to nyanyula vapfhumba. Swin'wana leswi vapfhumba va swi rhandzaka ngopfu i mati, swiharhi ni ku famba hi ntambu kumbe aerial cableway.
We decided this year to celebrate the festivities, locally, and we're doing all of the parks in and around the area.
I'm happy to be on the water. At least I had to have a break from school because school was too much for me.
Oh, it was quite a hectic year, right?
Yeah, coronavirus.
It's my first time here. My husband has been here before. I'm enjoying what I'm seeing. It's a nice place.
Tani tin'wana tindhawu leti nga hlaseriwa hi COVID-19, Hartis na yona ayiponanga.
Last year we never experienced tourists, but I think this year is going to be much better because we can see we are on level 1 and it seems like it's going to be much better. It's interesting. People, they normally come here to Hartis. More our specialty around here, the dam, when they're coming to see water, environment closer there, animals.
Makete lowu hi un'wana wa timakete letikulu laha kaya le ka tikonkulu Afrika. Ku xavisiwa swo hambanahambana. Vunyingi bya van'wa swimawusa va na ku tlula 20 wa malembe va xavisa laha. Kambe ku onhaka corona swi tetani hi xihlamariso eka vona.
I make this, and this product I make cane chairs, those chairs, I make even those wooden stuff. But nowadays we are struggling too much. No business. Since COVID, there is no business. No customer coming to support us. But before lockdown, it was better. But nowadays it's very, very tough.
When we opened, the business had changed completely. So I had to find a job so that at least I can manage to sustain or to be able to carry on the family issues. Otherwise, it was quite hard.
Xiyenge xa vupfhumba sweswi xi nghenisa mali leyitsongo loko ku fananisiwa ni nkarhi lowu a ku nga si va na COVID-19.